In this video, we are going to learn how to blur a video or a specific area of the video. So let's get into the tutorial. I added this video. Now I want blur the whole video. So go to the effect, search blur. Here you can see there are many blur effects. This one, or this one. Okay, so I will add this blur effect. Simply just drag and drop and set at the top. If I play this video, just slowly blur. Okay, I hope you understand. Now I want focus only the car and surrounding other things should be blur. So how? Just simply copy this video and paste it. Similar video, and this blur just drag and drop middle point between two videos. If I move this video at the right side, you can see this video is blur because this blur effects at the top of this video. So back to the point. Now I want only focus the car and surrounding other things should be blurred. Just click this video, go to the video, basic and mask. Select the rectangle, decrease the size, play this video. You can see only focus the car and surrounding other things is blurred. Simply just delete and delete. Now I want blur a specific area of this video. Suppose I want to blur this number plate of this car. So how? Copy this video and paste it. Okay, now drag this blur and not set at the top of this video. Simply drop over this video. Okay, again, not set this at the top of this video. Instead, just simply drag and drop over this video. Now select this video, go to the marks and select the rectangle, and now you can blur any option or any area. So I just want to blur number plate. Very simple. If I play this video, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.